The most anticipated Miss Gayneverse 2020 is back, and this year it's gonna be rainy edition. And let's start with the production number. This time, ladies and gentlemen, Miss Gayneverse 2020 is proud to present the country introduction. And let's start with the beautiful candidate all the way from the beautiful land of the Philippines. Make way for the candidate who is from the home of the beauty pageant of Venezuela. Don't forget, contestant number 2 is coming from the home of the brave, the United States of America. Who would have thought that Colombia is in the house? Contestant number 4. Miss Gayneverse 2020 is back in celebration of culture and diversity. This time, ladies and gentlemen, the National Costume Parade. Candidate number 1 is coming from the Philippines. Look at Miss Philippines. She's wearing her national costume with pride, beauty, and grace. You will never go wrong with the Philippines. Contestant number 2, ladies and gentlemen, we have from the beautiful country of Venezuela. Look at Miss Venezuela with her fierce look and, of course, her stunning beauty. There you have it, Venezuela. Dancing all the way from the home of the brave, USA. Look at Miss USA with her beautiful dancing, celebrating the rich culture of her country. This time, let's welcome the very confident Miss Colombia. Miss Colombia is bringing along with her the pride of her country, banana. You are witnessing our 4 lovely candidates in their national costume. Who will be our winner? Who will take home the crown? Will it be the Philippines, Venezuela, Colombia, or the United States? This time, the segment that will decide the fate of our 4 lovely candidates. Blow Challenge is coming right up, and this is the final round of the competition.
You know I'm gonna get you, yeah, whatever it takes to get there. No, I won't drop you like everybody else does.
Let's welcome Colombia, USA, Philippines, and Venezuela. Congratulations to Miss Colombia, our winner for this year's Miss Gayneverse 2020. Rihanna Sabel, ladies and gentlemen. That concludes our Miss Gayneverse 2020. Once again, congratulations to Rihanna Sabel from the beautiful land of Colombia. This has been Miss Gayneverse 2020. Until next year, and this is your host saying God bless and enjoy.
This is how we be topping a session. One family, that's how we present it. We got fans from all over the world and come together and we show them how we do it. From team 5 4.
Hi guys! For more videos, please click subscribe and click the bell for you to be notified. Subscribe!